What's up everybody, PC Mentors here. In this video I'm going to simply show you how we can download, install and how to customize the complete settings of the NOX emulator. So everything I will be showing you in this video about the NOX emulator. So NOX is one of the best Android emulator. It is the simple to use and you can play mobile games on your PC. So I have given link in the description. Just click on that link and once you are here, click on the download and here we go. So the setup will be downloaded. Once the downloading is completed, open the setup and here we go. Yes. Now the setting is initializing, so be patient for a while. Now if you want to customize, if you want to change the default directory where you want to install the NOX, so from here you can change and select that directory. So as I am going to install it in the default directory, that is the C, and you are good to go. I'm going to skip the video. So now the installation is completed. I'm just simply going to start it and here we go. So the initial starting takes some time depending upon your PC, so probably it takes some time. So now it shows the pop-up message that you must make sure that enable the virtualization technology. So before get into the next video, I'm going to show you how we can enable the virtualization. So restart your computer and press F2. In my case, this is the boot on the setup key is F2. If you are using a different laptop, so you can search for that. So once you are here, as you can see, the virtualization technology is already enabled on my system, so you can enable it from this option. Once you have enabled the settings, once you have done these steps, restart your system and you will good to go. So now the NOX emulator is starting and here we go. So from here you can change the theme option, and from here you can customize the complete setting of the NOX emulator. So make sure to take the root option, and from here you can change the RAM and processor, the number of cores assigned to this NOX emulator. From here you can change the mouse settings. So there are game options. You can choose whatever option best for you on your system. So once you have customized the complete settings according to your requirement, just click OK and you are good to go. So I'm going to open the settings So this was all about how you can download, install and customize the settings of the NOX emulators. So still, if you have any question regarding this video, so let me know and I will reach you there. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next tutorial.